He walks in here and he jumps back. Let me clear on the outside.
Okay, Emmett. Hi.
You scared me! Ernest, see me doing that!
Okay, go, Ernest. It's your turn. Go. Take it out. Okay. The old cow barn. Oh.
Wow, look here, this is the snake.
Snake fox. Snakes can't bite their food, so they have to swallow it whole.
Snake fence. You know that snakes
Okay.
can't bite their food, so they
And
swallow
then
it
there's llama lunchroom too. Did you know llamas are members of the camel family? Creia. 11 months, so it's just, oh my goodness, 11 months is, wow.
So this is the donkey diet.
So,
A baby donkey
the same llama.
a foal, that's it.
Meerkat. There's a meerkat. Come here. Meerkats like to eat insects, lizards, fruits, and eggs. Look, a group of meerkats is called a gang or a M-O-B. Meerkats are pregnant for around 10 weeks only. So the meerkats can have only a baby on 10 weeks. Donkey. It's called a foal. A female is known as a jenny and the male is a jock. Donkeys can live between 40 and 50 years. Wow. Wow. Daddy,
Why couldn't I buy donkey tickets online?
so there's maybe you can go there and how you can
Wow.
happy families.
Better made.
Boys, look at the cow.
Let's go see a cow.
Oh, there's a baby cow here, love. Come. Look. They're all waiting. Wow. Hello. Oh, where's their food, love? Oh, hello.
Try and give you some food. Yeah. I put your hand, and then I hold your hand, and then you do that.
Oh, they're waiting, love.
Come here, Emma.
No way!
No, don't do that.
No, no.
No, don't do that. Come here. Come here.
Really?
Look at mommy.
This mommy. This mommy.
He's licking his hand.
Yes, it's just licking. He's not doing anything. Look,
Come on.
he's just licking.
Come on. No, do this one.
What is it disgusting? I only like a tiny
No, don't throw it on the
I
floor.
only like a tiny Look here!
Oh, maybe we will give to the others.
You know what?
Come here, he's trying to. Emma, he's trying. Emma, come here. Emma, come here. Very gentle. Come here.
No, I'm hurt.
No, come
I
here.
want to get out. It's only me just look at them. I found a poor cow.
Say hello. Oh, maybe he's just wanna rest, love.
Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes.
go check what's on the other side. Come, we will go check there.
Is the spray out?
That's spray out.
Yeah.
I need to save
I
this.
want the spray, Mum.
So this is the one we're looking
Look
for.
at the other side. Wow, that's nice, isn't it?
Wow. Okay, go.
We're actually putting our clothes. Look, place. Look here. Look, place.
No, don't. You like the cows? Really nice, eh? You like the cows?
Lovey, look.
That's actually baby. We can buy them.
No.
Rabbit's head, boy.
Rabbit's head, love. They're gentle, love.
They're gentle. You will not. No, you will never hurt them.
I'm scared.
Never hurt them.
They're very gentle. Look, they like it. See? Look, come here. Hello.
Speedy the cows.
Aww. Come here. There, that one.
Weird.
Hello. Oh, there's a big cow there, love. Come. We will go on the big cow.
No way! No way! I don't want any cow. These are red apples.
Hello. Boys, come now. We will go to daddy. Boys, come. We will go to daddy now. Okay. Oh, daddy's going to buy a ticket for donkey ride. Yes. Come here first. Daddy's going to buy first. We will wait for daddy here. Hey, that is it will make you. No.
Make you what?
What you're trying to do in your head? Oh, see, you feel itchy now.
I don't.
Oh, see? Ah! Can we go to the big cow now?
There's water.
Yeah, I know, but there's no cow here. Yes, come here. We will go to this cow, Emmet. Come here, Emmet. Ernest, come. Come here. There's no... Emmet, Ernest. Emmet, don't... Come here. Oh, so the Aberdeen Angus is from Scotland.
Wait, these are kind of raffles?
Yeah.
I see cows on there. They're giant.
Oh, so this is the new baby here. They are all...
They're giant. Look out window.
Oh, what's your name? Oh, I think you have a name. Oh. Oh.
That's how it's strong. I'm big. No. Look at this house. I think he's
Hello.
Casper.
Oh, I
Mom,
think...
I will call him Casper.
Mm.
Call this guy Postman.
What's the name? What's the name?
I call that big one. I call the big one and hope smash cow. I did jumping.
Oh. He's angry because Emmett and Erin is too noisy. Oh.
Yes.
We will wait for your dad because he's buying some so happy families there. Do ba phone her. Be careful, ah. Be careful. You have ticket already? So it's not too busy now. Emmett, Ernest! Donkey ride! Come! 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 Emmett, donkey ride, love. Come! Come!
Are you ready to jump it?
This is very nice placed. Oh, there's even a meerkat there.
Boys,
Okay. Boys, there's a meerkat here.
animals first.
Come. After you will play. Come, baby. Come, we will go to the animals. Come.
Bernie, don't worry, you have long time, no problem.
Come. No. Ernest. No, Dad. No. We will go first, Dad. They will get tired and they will not go.
Let's go see the animals a little bit.
We will see the animals first, Lovey. Come. Yes, come, Lovey. Come.
Let's come. You have long time here, no problem.
And Daddy. Come. No. Later. We will go to the ride. Lovey, how about the ride?
The tractor ride.
Yeah.
It's like every hour.
Okay. Love, we will go to the meerkat, love. We will see the meerkat is waiting for us. Yes. And Evan, look at that animals. What you think is that animals? Come. We will go to the meerkat first.
How did we go
Listen,
from
Emmett.
Oh, look, Lovey, the meerkat. Look. Come here. Oh. 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 Oh, there are a lot, Lara.
Wow! That one is sitting on a rock. That one is sitting on
Yeah,
a
he's
rock.
just sitting there.
And one of them is digging.
They love digging, huh?
Mom, did you bring any food?
Oh, you want...
I want to give some food to them.
Dad, we can feed them. Oh, Daddy, I think we're going to the other side now. We will check. Okay. Come. How about this? Oh, Lovey, look at the roaster. Look, the chicken. Little chicken.
It's Peter! I know that! I
he's coming to Ernest.
Like a meerkat.
Hello. So
I'm
cute. And he's not coming out, hala. He's just.
What's there?
I know, he's just there. This one, he's just sitting there.
Boys,
Come.
don't worry. We're here for a long time, okay?
Okay, come, we will go. Hello, bye bye. So cute. Oh. Wow, look at that different type of chicken. In the Philippines, you are catching them. You are catching them.
We eat them.
And you cry when, oh.
When we eat them,
No, sit down. But they look good. They look funny.
they
Come, we will go to the other side now.
you think cute.
Oh, what's that, Lovey?
There's another one over there.
Oh, Dad, can we go in a tail raccoons? Look at that. What's that? Next one. Sheep.
Lovey, come, love, look. Nicely, ah.
Yeah. Put this in your hand and give me it. Give me your hand.
No!
Look.
It's falling.
Oh, he's really wanting.
You excited?
Aww.
Definitely out.
Go.
I'm out feeding. I'm out feeding.
He's a bit angry.
Aww.
Is he excited?
Look at that. Look.
Shake it.
Look. Wallaby.
I got a lot of babies. I'm trying to break them. Look at that! Oh, right there! Look at all
Look at that. Oh, so cute.
Look at that right there.
Okay, we will go to the other side now.
But I want something to catch you.
It's okay.
Charlie.
Llama! A llama!
How do you know it's a llama?
Call him. Hello, come here.
Llama!
Oh, don't shout.
Llama!
Oh.
What is up to now? Llama!
Something that's quicker.
Yeah. Okay, give them food, love. Give them food. Give them food, love. They're waiting for you, love. Put on their hands.
Throw it. No. I'm going to throw it.
Why don't you just put it in your mouth? You put it from your hands.
Okay.
No, don't be scared.
Oh, yes! Llama. I'm feeling it.
May
I'm
sila.
feeling it in my hand.
Really?
Yeah.
One more, love. One more. I want to see it.
No.
Why? Really?
Just for 5 minutes, eh? No, that's dangerous.